Mayor, do you have any plans in tying up with pastors' projects on children's welfare and restoring the environment?
We have, there's this activity, sorry, Pastor. It's geared towards the advancement of a better life for human beings. Marami, and I said, because actually ganito yan we are always mindful of the separation of church and state. So we do not want to mingle even in finances because that's not allowed by law. And ako naman, I do not want to baka sabihin nila na bakit ako sumasama doon sa mga yung mga activities ni pastor that's geared for environment, things like that. At yung iba mayroon sila kasi may araw sila na panlinis. Gusto rin nila ako maglinis doon. Naloko na. Kaya ako nag-aral Tapos gusto magpintura doon sa eskwelahan. Yung mga nanay pati tatay lagi ginagawa yung mga buang na sige lang dyan. Bakit ubiyo? Kaya ako medyo but at least we share the same purpose in this planet. Yung namin yung the paradigm of life in this world. Pareho kami ni Pastor. It's just to passing naman tayo. To be productive here, to be of help to your fellow human beings, and when the time comes, die peacefully and enter the kingdom of heaven. Kung wala doon, dito na lang sa kingdom.
Pastor, anything you can say to what Mayor said?
Well, we have the Sunshine Philippines movement, which is really geared. We are a religious entity, but this is more on helping other people who cannot help themselves also. So we can also see our society, especially the Philippines. We have a government, but the government cannot do everything for us. So we ought to, pitch in our help whenever we can.